Action News reporter. There it goes. Up in flames. Like, we are so happy to see that.
We're not looking to the past anymore. We're looking forward to the new year and what it can bring to us. All the possibilities and opportunities.
All right, let's go to Joe Bartels, and who saw that fireworks show in person as he joins us live right now from downtown Las Vegas. Happy New Year, Joe.
Hey, Joe.
Hey, Happy New Year, guys. Yeah, we saw that fireworks show wrap up literally just seconds ago. You saw it live here.